Very good morning. Today we discuss about the August 28 zodiac sign and the persons. This comes under the Virgo. As per the sun sign, actually, how is their horoscope, personality, what if they're going to do, what type the benefits they're going to get, what are the remedies. Let's see. As a Virgo born as August 28, you are very much into life pleasures and try to make things as easily as possible for yourself. You seem to put a lot of energy in relationships and care a lot about how they perceive you. Even if at times you feel like braving it all and not recognize that, you tend to become a lot more spiritual with age. Prepare to really read a detailed report about whatever the things you have to be correct yourself also. Do you need this because you were born in August 28? See, coming to the zodiac sign of the August 28 is Virgo. Already we told you. Astrological symbol. I collected some details about this one. Astrological symbol is maiden. It represented to for the people born between August 28 and to September 22. When the sun sign is Virgo. This is not the moon sign. Indian astrology as well depends on moon sign. Sun sign are followed by all over the world. You know that. The symbol denotes. As per sun sign, August 28, the symbol denotes knowledge, shyness, clarity of thought, and introspective behavior. The Virgo constellation is spread on area, 1294 square degrees between the Leo to the West Libra. It's happened. In Italy, it is named Vergina, while the French call it Verzi. Verzi. However, the Latin version of the Virgin, the August 20th zodiac sign is Virgo. And if to see them, their personality, if the people born on August 28 are analytical and correct. They are sociable and energetic by nature, but also respectful and do not usually force things in any way. They are witty and enjoy both tasks that require focus and art related activities. They feel they need to be supported in their endeavors, but at the same time, they prefer to do things themselves if the alternative involves disorder lines in any way. They love to spend their time engaged in minding challenging activities. Coming to the positive traits, the natives in this sign are reliable and stable, and this is what they expect from others in return. They are realistic and cautious, but you can also launch themselves in courageous endeavors, but only when they have checked all facts at least once. They are progressive but orderly. Don't let their train of thoughts disrupt them from the initial things they were working on it. See, coming to the negative thoughts, if you are going to see them, the natives are worrisome and cautious, are very overly critical. This is a time bomb for them, and sometimes they lose their temper and act very unpredictable way without really understanding why they are reaching the way they do. They are very intolerant, although they don't show it, and have strong beliefs in how people can or cannot believe. Coming to their life and compatibility, lovers born in August 28 are affectionate and commitment. They leave passion aside in order to build a dependable and trustworthy relationship. Yeah, good. They are attracted to sons and persons. They are intelligent and trustworthy as them, even more to someone who is sensible and caring and to whom they can offer support protection. This single native is focused on the other aspects of life, is never in a rush to commit if he or she doesn't feel it right. Coming to another thing is they believe in love at first sight and do not need much time to get attached to someone. They are persons of the extremes in love. Sometimes this attitude will have them prone to disappointment. They used to be intensely live every aspect of their life, and their relationship are no exception. They are likely to fall in love at a young age as they are attractive and positive persons. Concerning their family life, they will marry when they are completely ready, and they will probably be cool parents if they choose to have a big one family. They are mostly compatible with born on 4th, 6th, and 13th, 15th, 17th, and 22, 21st, 26th, and 31st who are born in, once I repeat, 4th born, 6th born, 8th born, 13th born, 17th born, and 24th born, 26th born, 31st born. August 20th zodiac people are most attached to the other each other signs like Taurus, Capricorn, sun sign based, as they tend to share their vision of life. Virgo is a constant search for someone to nurture, help grow, and whom they can give everything that they have and best of this occasion to them in their native inner pieces. The least compatible with people born August 20th are those born under Leo. As for the rest of the compatibilities between the other star signs of Virgo, what they say, sour are predispose, but the people dispose. Coming to the lucky color for them, navy blue is a color considered lucky for the Virgo. It is, sunset base, August 28. The hue denotes refinery, traditionalism, and depth. The zodiac color is adverse to accessories, items of clothing. People with a navy blue is a color, sign color, are sociable and follow fun-loving color persons. As the point they might appear as superficial. They have a tend to keep themselves, but it that we are talking about hidden feelings or even casual activities. Other color represents for Vigo orange, bees and other tones. Representative from the birthstone is Virgo birthstone is used in astrology for those who are born August 28. It's like a sharp sapphire. Sharp sapphire is going to be used. And coming to the characteristic flower, coming to this native, say it's a morning glory. Morning glory is best flower for to gives fate fortune to them. Coming to the symbolic, platinum is the metal is considered lucky for those who born in Virgo natives. August 28. This zodiac pile, those born in August 28 are great and organized keeping and everything precisely arranged. A loud family. These natives are just sins in general, and they are quick to show how they feel, especially when disappointed. When it comes to the final aspect of life, they tend to have this attentive spirit of their even more ingrained focus entitled to on work when they have to. Their health is quite good, but since Virgo rules in abdomen, intestines, liver, and corresponding arteries, have to careful. They are susceptible for suffering affections concerned with their in the skin. See, this is the story about this one today. And coming to for August 29th is next will be. And coming to the one personality who are born August 28th is Suman, actor Suman, Telugu actor and Kannada actor also. This is the story.